Hello friends, the last video that you guys saw was where is Karan, so here is Karan. And I'm very sorry, I want to say sorry to my family, not only my blood family but my YouTube family and all the people who are connected to me and to us. I want to say thank you for being there and sorry for not being there with you guys for such a long time. And I saw this video that Saskia made yesterday, and I'm sorry Saskia, I was not watching these videos that you were making because as you said, we are on our own journey kind of. So I was also on my own journey till now, and now after this video I feel like yes, I want to tell people who are there for us, who wants to know where I am or what we are doing and they want to be a part of our family. I want to tell them what has been happening with me in the last few months or in last few years, I would say, because it's a whole big process, the changing. And as I said yesterday, Saskia made a video which is called Where is Karan, and I want to try a new format. I have the video on my phone. I want to listen to this video and I want to answer everything that she's saying and how I feel, because I want to feel more connected to the video and to her. Actually, I am connected to you, I'm sorry, but right now I want to be like, like express myself more. So first of all, yes, Saskia, you are a strong woman for sure, and you've been looking for a new flat, and I'm super happy that you found one, and it looks super beautiful, especially Tree and Zen. They are completely enjoying it over there. And as I don't know how to say this, but okay, it's gonna be, yeah, Saskia is saying she wants to start a new life, and I want to wish you very much for your new life, Saskia. And I'm always there, we are always together, you know this. We don't have to be physically there with each other. That's how I feel, and that's what I want everybody to understand. Like, we don't want to change somebody's thought process, but we just want to share our thought process, and as everybody of you has seen the video, and Saskia is being super honest in the video, and she told you that we guys are not together for a year now. And yes, we are not together for a year, but still we are connected somehow, because we have a beautiful baby. We have Tree with us, and it's super nice to be a part of her life. And somewhere Saskia told you guys that you guys are asking Saskia, where is Karan, where is Karan, where is Karan? And guys, I respect my culture, okay? I respect every culture, but I believe that a woman can be recognized by her own abilities. So I would really appreciate if you want to know where Karan is, you can, now I'm back. For sure I will respect this. You can ask me, but if you want to ask Saskia, it would be nice if he can support with her dream and ask her how she is. And she doesn't, no woman needs a male next to her to be recognized, to be honest. This might sound little bad because I come from a different culture, and over there, as Saskia said, and this is for Saskia to make you feel more strong and independent, I'm there for you forever. I don't know which culture I belong to. I respect my culture, I respect my family, I respect their respect, if that's correct English. But I just want to tell you, no matter if we are not together, but still we will be connected. And about accepting these babies that you have, or baby, in our culture in India, we say that it's, I should say it in Hindi, like ek jaan ko palna punne ka kaam hai. That means it's a blessing to give life to a new seed, and I will be super happy to take this blessing on my shoulders and give happiness to your new world. And what I wanna say, and yes, to my Indian culture people, guys, this is old that man and woman has to stay together after getting married. We respect if you can live together, it's a beautiful life, but living together doesn't mean that you have to be physically be there for everybody, you know. You are independent souls, we are strong, we can do anything on ourselves, and we just have to maintain the boundaries and respect, you know. And I miss Saskia, I miss Tree for sure. And I asked somebody today that when Saskia was living in India for 4 to 5 years, she respected our culture, you know. She never, there was a time when people were talking about the pictures she's putting on Instagram, oh this is not right, or she is beep 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 beep. But come on guys, when she was in India she respected our culture, but now she's living in a place where she has different culture and we should respect it. And I don't think so that it's a point of feeling shy or something about your body or about yourself. We all have this and we should accept each other as we are, as loving souls. And about Indian culture, again, because this theme is somewhere disturbing me, you know, because Saskia feels little disturbed and my mother feels little disturbed because of this interculture thing. And guys, this is just our thingy here, please. Let's not put it in our culture or religion. Let's take each other as we are, you know. I want to get naked here, I can get naked, you know. Other men also have same body, all women have same things, you know. There is no wonder, there is no stars shining, like for sure it feels like stars, but you know, we have to respect each other's freedom, you know. And for Saskia, wow, baby girl, you are super strong, and I'm happy that Tree is there with you. Tree, Papa wants to give you one wolfie kiss. Ow! Yeah, and I'm doing many things now. I'm getting back to my own self. I can love people around me. I can see their value now, how important humans are to us, you know. We are like plants. We are interconnected, guys. Come on. Let's let's not disturb each other now with all our religious and culture thoughts. Like let it be a free world. And for Saskia, again, your life is very beautiful, and I would be super happy if I can be a part of your life and accept you as you are, and accept everybody who's there in my life as they are. And if you have any questions, guys, you can ask me for sure. Maybe I will be late to answer them, but I will make sure that I do answer them. And feel free to ask us anything. Let us know how you feel, what you think about my thoughts you want to share. You can give us a topic, we can talk about that. I can ask people here to come and be a part of it, and we can just, you know, we can open our minds and see how we all can live in a big, nice, loving world. And I'm sorry, this might look a little disgusting, but this is just for my daughter because she likes doing this. 3. Bye.